I hope you enjoyed that. I thought it was a good example of how tenacious I am going to be in getting you to succeed. I know you want to leave me, but I refuse to not let you succeed academically and let you, achieve less than your true potential. That's the kind of partnership we're going to have, if you were wondering. I'm going to try to do a video at the beginning of every week just to do an overview of what you need to do. All this stuff is going to be included in the class calendar. So if you do just want to sit back, read the class calendar, you probably won't miss a lot in these videos except for the occasional tangent. So this week, the first thing that you should do is the USA test prep. There are instructions there, and if you have any questions, K-mail me, but almost everything in the rest of the course is hidden until you finish the test prep. So finish it right away, and then you can get started on all your other assignments. I know you're super excited. The other thing we're going to talk about today is the Raise Your Hand discussion forum. And that's where I want you to post questions to me that are not personal questions. A good example of a question for the Raise Your Hand forum is something like, Ms. Gibson, I really don't understand when it's talking in lesson 3 about associating background knowledge. So that was maybe a dramatic reenactment. But the point is that in the forum, what you're doing is asking questions about the content, about the things that everybody sees. Whereas in K-mail, you want that to be something that has to be confidential, that needs to stay between you and I. Like, dear Miss Gibson, can you tell me why I got this score on this thing? Or anything that's uber personal, that you don't really need to share with the rest of the class. The second assignment you should be working on is the syllabus contract. This is just a Google form that you fill out so I know that you read the syllabus, because syllabi, those things are kind of long and tedious to read, but there's important information in there, so that's why you gotta read it. Then the last thing we have that's kind of out of the ordinary is the Get to Know You Google form, because I have 200 students and I really do want to get to know each and every one of you. My job is to help you learn. So if it's asking you a question about what you do best or what you do poorly as a student, now is the time to say, I really struggle with my writing, or I really struggle with my reading. The more honest you are with me in that form, the better I can serve you as a teacher. So let's do a review. You have your USA test prep, your syllabus contract, your Get to Know Your survey, and then you have all your regular classwork, a lesson a day, one Wednesday, one Thursday, and one Friday. Hopefully this is the only time throughout the school year where you're going to have more than one thing a day to do. We try to pace it really well for you. I am going to start doing some other weekly things. We're going to try to have a funny video of the week, because learning should be fun. So that's what you need to do in class this week. You have USA test prep, syllabus contract, Get to Know You form, and then you have 3 lessons, one on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We're done. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next week.